How to log in to Shein app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in to Shein app. Now the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, in order to sign in or log in, you can first go ahead and download the application. You can do it on the Shein web as well, but if you want to do it on the application, you want to simply go ahead and download the application from the Play Store or App Store depending on your device, if you are on Android or iOS respectively. Once you have got the application, you want to go ahead and open it up, and you should be headed directly into the login page here. Now if this pops up here, what you want to do is at the bottom you can see sign in option here. So here it's just showing up various pop-ups here, but at the bottom you can see sign in option. If you tap on me option as well, there you'll be able to see the option that says sign in or register. So you can simply tap on sign in or register. Now in order to sign in, you can enter in your mobile number or email address, tap on continue, enter in the confirmation code, and go ahead and log in or sign in. Similarly, you can simply tap on continue with Google or continue with Facebook. In my case, I'll just tap on continue with Google, tap on it, and it'll take me in directly if you already have an account logged into your device that is associated with Shein. So this way you can log in on Shein. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.